The Mortgage Minute today being brought to you by Geneva Financial. I think I just said that every day at this time, OBMMI, they provide the most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of pricing ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates with consumers across 42% of all mortgage transactions nationwide. OBMMI does not tell us points paid, points received, or APR. They just tell us the locked rates. Yesterday's numbers, 30-year conforming rates up quite a bit, 6.724. 30-year jumbo rates up even more, 6.845. 30-year FHA rates, 6.527. 30-year USDA rates, 6.583. And the best loan on the market for those that earned it, you do not get to just apply for this one. This one takes it all. And I guess, well, I'm going to do it in a minute. This one takes it all. The 30-year VA loan, 6.241. If you want our commentary each morning, as early as the data allows, I will send out our commentary, rsrmarketminute.com, rsrmarketminute.com. You can get that commentary, and we send it out for free. Let's take a look and see what's going on today. That data that I gave you was yesterday's information. So today, let's take a look at it. The S&P 500 is now down 5.68. The 10-year Treasury yield down 6 basis points to 4.10. The mortgage-backed securities, the bond itself, remember, yield and bond always move in opposite directions. The bond is up 14 basis points, which means the interest rates are going down a little bit today, and they're going to recover from what they did the last 2 days, as I shared before. Although we may have a little bit of a challenge with it. We do have a couple of our Fed speakers, and these are not the ones that we want to be hearing from right now. But Loretta Mester, Neil Kashkari, and Susan Collins are giving speeches today. Bond market did not like the commentary from Jerome Powell on 60 Minutes over the weekend. But we do have Susan Collins is usually a little bit in the middle. Loretta Mester and Neil Kashkari, they want to raise rates. Now, in 2021, when they should have been wanting to raise rates, they were saying that inflation is transitory. Well, you and I know what transitory means to it's kind of like a budget cut in the U.S., in the government, right? Never, ever happens. CoreLogic reported that home prices fell 0.1% in December and are now up 5.5% year over year. CoreLogic forecasts that home prices will fall by 0.2% in January and will rise by 2.8% over the next 12 months. Just remember, CoreLogic was the one in 2021 that said home prices would decline by 6.6%, and they went up 19%. So they were off by just a little bit. Black Knight released their reports for November and December, showing that home price values rose 0.1% in each of those months. Black Knight is showing that home values rose 5.6% year over year. And I do have a chart, and we'll try and get it into the show notes for you. If you were to buy a house anytime since 1942 and held that home for 10 years, there was only one time between 1942 and 2014 that if you held a home for 10 years, the value of the home did not go up, and that was 2006. So 2006, 2016, values were down 3%. Other than that, every other time, if you held the home for 10 years, home values went up. So I'm just throwing that out there to you. Be aware, buying a house is still a good investment. That is the Mortgage Minute, brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990. 800-306-1990.